In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on the follow button on your Facebook profile. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now go ahead and click on three bars given at the top left. Now head over to the option settings and privacy. Now here you're going to find the option of settings. Click on that. Now here you're going to find defense section. Scroll down until you find this section of audience and visibility. Under that, you're going to find the option of how people find and contact you. You will need to click on that option. Now click on the option who can send you friend request and set it to friends of friends. After you do that, you can head back. Now navigate to the option followers and public content. Now click on the option who can follow me, set it to public. Once you have done that, people who are not your friends will see the follow button instead of the add friend button in many cases. And that's it. This is how you can easily enable the follow button on your Facebook profile. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.